Welcome to Life Fitness. My name is Eric Levine, and I have the pleasure of working with and teaching your students this semester. I'm originally from University Place, Washington. I went to Curtis High School down there where I played football. I played soccer. I was highly involved in my high school days. I was on our student council in ASB. I also did choir and was the drum major in our band. So I'm all about high school, and I'm really excited to share that experience with our students here at Inglemoor. Post high school, after I graduated from Curtis, I went on to UW, where I earned a degree in criminology in 2006. Obviously, I'm not in that career today. Had a career choice and decided to take a different route, and through various different avenues, wound up here in the classroom, and I couldn't be more excited about that. Why did I become a teacher? Well, ultimately, like I said, through various different routes to get into teaching. I wound up in a classroom initially as a paraeducator in special education. That's initially where I got my certification, was through special education. But yeah, it was very quickly I realized that Inglemoor was a very special place. The high school was a very special place for me. And namely, it was mostly about your students. Your students are incredible, always have been. They, like I said down there, it truly is a gift to be able to work with and teach them on a regular basis. And I very quickly learned, once I, made the, correct choice to get into teaching, that this became a passion of mine, particularly health and fitness. So I'm very excited to be here. Like I said, very excited to share my experience, my wisdom, my knowledge, and hope to pass some of that on to your students. What I love about Inglemoor, again, like I said earlier, most importantly, the students. Again, the energy, the camaraderie, how they inspire me and push me to be better and to get better. I love seeing them not only push me, but push each other. I think it's fantastic to see that on a regular basis. I love our staff. I've always loved our staff. They've been a huge influence on me. Developed some great relationships over the years, some great mentors. Our administration is incredible. They're incredibly supportive. They're there for our staff. They're there for our students. They're there for our community. They're just really, really important people and are really good at what they do. And last but not least, most importantly, again, it's kind of you guys, is the community. Again, this is a very tight-knit community here at Inglemoor. I know we come from various different areas, Woodinville, Kenmore, Bothell. We come from, North Shore Middle School and Kenmore Middle School and whatnot, but it is very much a tight-knit community. I love that very much about Inglemoor. A little bit about me. So my family, I'm one of three brothers. See down there, the Three Stooges. I'm the middle brother. My wife is actually a 2002 Inglemoor graduate. And so I'm excited to share that with her. And there up there on the right, you can see there's my daughters in the blue. That's Ruby. She actually just started kindergarten recently. And in the red helmet, me, that's Olivia. And actually, I lied on my screen. It says she's 3.5. She's actually 4.5. I should have, refixed that. But yeah, she actually just started pre-K. So very big news here in the Levine house recently. Some other interests and hobbies. I'm a big Husky fan, obviously, being an alum there. Big Husky football fan, just big Husky fan in general. Big Seahawk fan, Sounder fan, Storm fan, Rain fan, pretty much any sort of Seattle sports. I'm really excited to support them. My family loves vacationing in Wapato Point, Lake Chelan. My in-laws actually have a place out there. So that's always great to get away from the city, or at least the suburbs, a little bit and get out there with the family, particularly in the summers. I'm big into health and fitness. Again, what I told my students when I first saw them was, something about Life Fitness is not just something that I teach, but it's something that I live. It truly, like I said earlier, is a passion of mine, and I look forward to sharing that with them. And then last but not least, obviously, one of my biggest passions is my family. Success. I believe that all of our students, all of my students, all of your students will be very successful. Not just in my class, but in our school. I believe that success is a mindset. Okay, if you set your mind to it, you will be successful. I look forward to working with our students to show them that all of their capabilities and what they are capable of achieving. I have two very general expectations in my class, and it is simply, like it says on the screen there, treat each other with kindness and respect. I think those are kind of two overarching characteristics that I think we should all represent and exhibit on a regular basis, and that will lead to, I think, immense amount of success. A little bit about Life Fitness. So Life Fitness on Monday that's our day that we're actually in the classroom, and you can see on here we have 4 units that we're going to cover throughout the course of the semester. Unit 1 is just our intro to fitness. So we cover SMART goals, which is an acronym for specific, measurable, aggressive, realistic, and time bound. Your students can actually tell you a little bit about that. We'll cover body composition facts. We'll cover health related fitness components. Unit 2, planning for safe and effective exercise, injury prevention and management, and the FIT principle. Unit 3 will cover the different types of training. So stretching, cardio, both aerobic and anaerobic training, resistance training concepts too. And last but not least, we'll finish out the semester with a nutrition and hydration. And so again, you can ask your students about that, or if you want more details, feel free to contact me. The rest of our week, when we're not in the classroom on Mondays, those are our fitness days. So we follow here at Inglemoor, we follow a program called Platform, and it's a great little program that's already put together with warm-ups and different exercises and kind of breaks things down really nicely. We will focus on very basic body weight exclusive exercises. So we will not be in the weight room in this class. If students progress to or want to advance to after this class, our advanced weight training class, that's when they're in the weight room, lifting the heavy weights. But we're going to teach the very basics, the very rudimentary exercises, so that we can focus, like it says there, on the form, technique, and control. That is what we need in order to progress, and that is what we need in order for our students to make sure that they are doing things safely. So again, we'll focus on warm-ups, workouts, and cool downs, because again, those are the 3 parts of a workout. And again, we're going to make sure that students understand what it takes to do things, like I said, safe and effective, so that they continue to grow. Next thing you can see on there is the class is designed to build fitness foundations for life. Again, thus the term Life Fitness. And we only get one body in this lifetime. And so it's really important to make sure that our students understand that you got to take care of your body if you want it to take care of you. In my class, everything is about the individual. There is no sort of standard in terms of grading or whatnot. It's all about the individual and how, what they're capable of and what they're capable of achieving. So when I look at things, my goals, like it says right there, I'm looking at progress, not perfection, because what really is perfect? What is perfect to one individual is different than another. And to me, I don't really think there is anything perfect, as long as you are continually trying to get a little bit better, a little bit stronger, a little bit faster, just always trying to improve. I will teach adaptations and modifications in my class. So if your student has an injury or something like that, again, that's my background, that's my education. So, we won't necessarily be going through all the full movements. If a student comes in and they don't have necessarily the strength yet to do some of the things in our class, that's okay too. Again, that's that progress, not perfection. So again, we're going to teach full range body weight exclusive exercises, but also teach modifications as well for students that come in that don't feel like they're quite ready to do the full range things. And last, but most importantly, like it says on there, is I hope that we have some fun. Again, this is a physical class. This is a way to get the endorphins going. There are more mentally taxing classes that, your students will have throughout the course of their day. And I want this to be a place where, again, you can not worry too much about, work, homework, all that kind of stuff, but just get out there, have some fun, move our bodies. Here's my contact information. You can see my email up there. Email is the preferred method of contact. So if you do need to get a hold of me, elevine@nsd.org. I'm at my computer, or I'm around my computer most of the day. There's my phone number in the school. But again, my phone is in my office, in the locker room, and I'm just very seldom in there because I'm either in the classroom with your student or in the gym. So again, if you ever do need to contact me, I do request that you send me an email. I'll try to respond that day, that evening, or at the very latest, even the next day. I teach Life Fitness periods 2, 3, and 4. So obviously your student is in one of those classes. So if you needed to get a hold of me, that I'm not going to be around much because I'm going to be teaching at those periods. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sticking around through my presentation. Like I said before, I'm Eric Levine. I'm looking forward to working with your student, getting to know your student throughout the course of the semester, and have a great year. Take care. Bye-bye.